Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to delete all of your Snapchat friends at once in two different methods. So let's jump to the first one. Go ahead and open Snapchat and then go to your profile by tapping here on the top left corner. Once you're here, scroll down until you find My Friends and tap on it. It will take you here. Scroll down until you find the one you want to remove. Tap and hold on it. A menu will pop up. Tap on Manage Friendship. Tap on Remove Friend and then tap on Remove, and that's how you do it. You can do that individually. Now if you have a lot of friends, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and then find I Need Help. Tap on it, wait for a second. When this screen loads up completely, tap here on the search bar and then tap on Delete My Account. From here, tap on Account Portal right here. And then once you're here, just fill in your password and then tap on continue. This will delete your account and all of your friends in it, and you can start a new one and start fresh with new friends. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.